Hi, I'm Bruce Last, a Trust and Estates Attorney Editor here at CEB, and in this short video I'm going to show you some of the features of our new research tool and our new Citator TrueCite, which will assist you in getting fast results and hopefully a better assessment of the law within those results. What you see right now is the primary screen when you log on, and the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go up here and click the Research tab. This will bring you to the primary search site. The system by default will search the secondary sources. Let's try something different here. When using the search bar, for example, here on the power of attorney, I can search power of attorney. This will bring up results that show both the full phrase power of attorney or the word power and attorney. If we scroll to the bottom, and you'll notice it'll highlight the term where it results in the return result. As we get farther away from the first hits, you'll notice that it will show where power and attorney are both present but have been separated by some distance. We'll return to the first primary page. If you want to search for an exact phrase, you can enclose it in quotations. And this will show results only for power of attorney, that exact phrase. So in this case, I want to take a look at power of attorney statutes. And again, it will drop me right to all of the power of attorney statutes. Now, if I wanted to modify the search, I could, for example, put finance. And this shows any results that have that separate finance. And I can always, as before, I can always switch between cases and secondary sources. So that's kind of a basic walkthrough of doing simple searches with the new CEB Citator. I hope you found this informative, and stay tuned for more how-to videos in the future.